Good morning and welcome to your daily commodity market snapshot. Starting with gold. Gold prices remained under pressure on Thursday as markets largely looked past the softer than expected US inflation data. Instead, traders focused on rising crude oil prices, which have renewed inflation concerns and strengthened expectations that the Federal Reserve is likely to keep interest rates higher for longer. Talking about the technical setup, MCX Gold is extending its second consecutive day of losses. The immediate support is placed at 1,40,700. A breakdown below this level could trigger fresh selling towards 1,39,500 and 1,38,800. On the upside, 1,43,500 remains a strong resistance, and overall the trend continues to remain negative. Now, let's move to natural gas. UK natural gas prices are holding near a more than 3-month high at around 130.6 pence per therm. The rally is being supported by ongoing US military operations against Iran, which have increased concerns over potential disruptions to LNG supplies from the region. On the domestic front, MCX natural gas has been gaining strength for the last 3 trading sessions. A decisive breakout above 284 could extend the rally towards 292 and 297, while 277 remains a strong support level. Do keep an eye on the weekly US natural gas inventory data scheduled for 8 p.m. as it is likely to set the near-term direction for prices. Finally, let's talk about crude oil. WTI crude oil prices gave up their early gains on Thursday after 3 consecutive sessions of advances as investors continued to evaluate the impact of ongoing US military operations against Iran and the potential risks to shipping through the Strait of Hormuz. From a technical perspective, MCX crude oil is on track for its 4th consecutive weekly gain. Prices continue to trade with a positive bias, with 7,840 acting as the key resistance level. A sustained breakout above this mark could open the door for a fresh rally towards 8,050 and 8,200 in the coming days. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.